Japan, that's what they call me. I promise that.
Hey guys, I just took a shower, washed my hair. It was like 4 days since I washed it, and I'm gonna show you how it blow dries with Launch. This is the blow dryer, and it is amazing, like seriously amazing. First, when my hair was still like super wet, because now it's a little dry because I did my makeup, I put a sorbet in, Posh hair polish, and the heat shield, Rival Heat Shield, which is freaking amazing. A little bit more, I guess. So I have a fan on me, so my hair is drying a little bit, but it's still like, it's pretty wet. You can see it's still pretty wet. I ain't got that much room here. So let's just brush it real quick. And then after this, I will show you straightening it. Because these products are just, they're amazing. Like, I keep telling my daughter they're like life-changing. So yeah, this might be a little loud. It's not super loud, but it's blow dryer. And it has 3 settings. It has hot and cold, so it's pretty nice. It literally doesn't take me very long at all. Like, it's so quick. Higher. Hold on a second. Technical difficulties. This thing popped off. Didn't know that even came off, but. A little too much power. I'm gonna turn this way to look in my mirror better. My leg. Go away, Dad. I'm doing a video. It's already like super dry right there. Like, it's literally dry already. Go, I'm naughty because it was going different ways. My eyes are watering. Okay, let's go.
Background first.
My hair tangles way too easily. Usually I use a brush while I'm blow drying it. Like, I brush it while I'm blow drying it, but like literally brush and I'll blow dry it on it. The side is already literally pretty much completely dry. The back's pretty dry. The side's a little wet still, a little tiny bit wet, not much.
Oh, that came off.
don't know why I'm not doing it the way I usually do it and just brush it at the same time so I don't get knots in there. I guess because I'm trying to rush because I get so much to do today and it's already like 2 o'clock. And I had to go Mother's Day shopping for my mom and my daughter wants to get me something. So, I hate driving at nighttime. Just, oh, double chin. I didn't even plan on washing my hair today actually because I just took a bath last night in a little like body shower. Yeah, oh my god, it's so dry already. And literally we've been on here like 6 minutes and it's like, oh my god, it's like right here is a little wet, but yeah, so I didn't plan on taking a shower today, but I tried this new dry shampoo because I really want to get the Deja dry shampoo from Launch and I haven't got it yet. Well, I mean, I ordered it, but I haven't came yet. So I've been using this Dove dry shampoo and I was stupid last night after I got out of bed because I had my hair up in a bun and I just like sprayed it. I took my bun out and just had a ponytail. I sprayed it in there and like rubbed it in my roots a little bit. And this morning when I woke up, my hair was just like tacky. Like it was just, it felt like it was like a big, just, I don't know, it was nasty. I did not like it. There was no way like I was going to work with that hair today. So, yeah, I'm like, yeah, I need to take a shower. So that's what I did. Let me try this a little bit more. There's a knot again. Oh my goodness. Why is my hair knotting? I think it's, my hair like never knots this bad, but I think, ooh, it's falling. Hi, I literally think it's from that dry shampoo last night. I'm not using it again.
Some people that sell paparazzi and their daughter.
You want to buy some jewelry?
You should start.
I thought about it, but okay. So, Laura, how dry does that feel to you?
Pretty dry.
It's pretty dry for, only been on here for 8 minutes. I was pretty much dry in 6.
How's coronavirus, everybody?
So, I'm going to put a little bit of sorbet in again because it's dry enough. It's,
Do you have a YouTube account?
and I'm going to put it on Facebook. Okay, you only need like literally, when they say a pea size amount, that's like literally all you need. Like, well, that's actually, I can't really show you. That's actually a little bit too much. And sometimes, here, I'll put that top because my hands are full. Sometimes I just mix it because why go through it twice? You pulled my hair. And literally a pea size amount. I just mix it with it. Rub it together. Rub it in your hair. Just work it through it. And it's just, God, this stuff is the best. Like,
Follow me on TikTok.
I cannot express enough how much this stuff has literally changed my hair game. Right? Stop it. And this stuff, it just, I don't know. It's amazing. Okay. You can see how, like, wavy, you see the, like, creams in my hair. Now, when I go to straighten it, obviously, you know, those are gonna be there, but, like, I'm telling you, this straightener is amazing. And I got, hold on. Put this back for a minute. Okay. Now, I ordered this product first. This is the straightener with the titanium plates and the infrared and, like, just, oh, it's just, it's amazing. I was using this first, but then I got my 4-in-1 kit. I got my blow dryer. I got this straightener. It's a little bit smaller, but this one curls, so it's pretty awesome. This one I'm probably going to use because it puts like little, you'll see. It just puts little curls in it, and it's super cute. And then you get this. Obviously, this is the base for the curling wand. And you got the 32-inch wand and the 25-inch. And I usually like the 25-inch a little bit more, or like tighter curls, I guess. This one does like more loose, kind of like beachy curls. But yeah, and these are titanium too. Which actually I think hold your curls better. At least it does for me. Better than the ceramic ones. But yeah, I guess come back and watch the second video, so show you my hair. And literally, I don't know how well you guys can see it. Let me turn this lamp over here a little bit. But literally, my hair it's dry. I got something stuck in my hand. It's, I'd say 6 minutes dry. And I was even gonna get knots in my hair and just yank it on it, and which usually if I just did it the right way it wouldn't happen, but it's just amazing. So I definitely, if you're gonna buy anything from Launch, get this, because this is like no other blow dryer out there. Like it's amazing. I never used to blow dry my hair. I would just let it air dry. But this, like, I want to take a shower now just so I can I can blow dry my hair and just do my hair. This feels so good. I just like playing with it. Alright, come back for part 2.
No.
What you're given, that's how we live it. Don't be mad at the system, it's simply how we've existed. I hear a lot of people talking like they politicians and